As a respected DUI expert attorney, I've been invited to many DUI training seminars to share my expertise, particularly in the area of DUI blood testing. Gas chromatography is a process used to measure blood alcohol content. It is considered by many prosecutors to be, quote, invincible, end quote, and an, quote, automatic conviction, end quote. That is because most DUI attorneys do not have the expertise to be able to challenge this evidence properly. I've been able to use my scientific knowledge of this process in courtrooms across Pennsylvania and have been successful in defending my clients in the face of blood test evidence. Over the past few weeks, I presented at lectures about DUI blood testing at 4 major DUI training seminars across the country. The first one is my favorite one, the American Chemical Society course by Dr. Lee Polite, BA, MBA, PhD, and Dr. Harold McNair, PhD. It's called The Forensic Applications of Chromatography, GC, HPLC, and Mass Spectrometry, Headspace Chromatography with Flame Ionization Detector and Mass Spectrometry, and High Pressure Liquid Chromatography, a lecture laboratory course. The American Chemical Society is comprised mostly of scientists, not lawyers. This is why the course is very important because it validates my scientific credentials in the field of analytical chemistry. This small group, week-long, hands-on laboratory course is my brainchild and my legacy. The course is not only made up of instruction in the theory of headspace gas chromatography with flame ionization detector and also those other techniques, but also other forms of forensic chromatography and detectors such as mass spectrometry and diode arrayed UV vis. The participants spend a full 5 days of actually preparing and operating the instrumentation. This is the third full class offered, with 2 more full classes scheduled by the end of the year. The second seminar I attended and got to instruct at is the Texas Criminal Defense Lawyers Association DWI Defense Project, DWI Science, What You Must Know to Win. At this one-day seminar, I taught the attorneys present how to spot issues in DUI blood testing cases and teach them the basic principles of headspace gas chromatography with flame ionization detector that is used in determining blood alcohol content. I was rated as the top-rated speaker, yet again, for this entertaining and informative presentation that I like to give. The third one was the Maryland Criminal Defense Lawyers Association seminar, the 7th annual Advanced DUI seminar. At this day-long seminar, I was once again called upon to teach headspace gas chromatography in a longer format. I not only taught the basic scientific principles, as I have done before, but also detailed advanced issues including resolution, sensitivity, selectivity, and method validation related issues. The fourth one was the California Public Defenders Association 3rd annual 2-day DUI Defense Practice Institute. At this conference, I not only taught the attendees about headspace gas chromatography with flame ionization detector that is used also again in blood alcohol content all across the United States, but also took part in a panel discussion on best practices in defending all manners of DUI accusations. If you're looking for a Pennsylvania DUI expert, then call upon us. We're happy to help you. We challenge you to ask the hard questions and find the very best DUI attorney in Pennsylvania to handle your case. When you meet with an attorney, ask them about gas chromatography and ask them whether or not they can explain it where you understand it, and when was the last time they lectured about the subject at a DUI seminar. Ask the tough questions and make the selfish decision to choose the very best lawyer to protect your freedom.